Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to keep your laptop running while closing the lid. But first, let's discuss why you want to do this. While your laptop obviously works great on the go, you can use it at home too. By connecting an external keyboard, mouse and monitor, a laptop can function like a desktop. But there's one problem with this. How do you keep the laptop on when it's closed? By default, Windows puts your laptop to sleep when you close the lid. This means that even if you don't want to use your laptop screen as a secondary monitor, for example, you still have to keep it open to keep your computer awake. This is not very user-friendly, as you could otherwise stash it in the desk or in a cabinet or hide it somewhere else. Thankfully, you can keep your monitor on when the laptop is closed. Here is how. As you can see, I'm closing it now, and the laptop is unfortunately going to sleep. So you can see the white button blinking a bit, means it's now hibernating. That's not what you want. I want to keep it running, because if I open it now, as you can see, it's black, dark, it has to boot up, and that's not what we want. So first, click on Start and type in Control Panel. As you can see, it pops up there. You go to Control Panel and you look for System and Security. Click it, and then we're going to the Power options. Here you can see choose what closing the lid does. Very nice. In the previous versions of Windows 10 it was not that easy. You can say what it has to do with plugged in or on battery. We're going to select do nothing. Save changes. Also go to the change plan settings, because you have to disable the computer going to sleep automatically. We'll put this to never, and for the plugged in as well to never. Save the changes. OK. Can close the screen. OK. And now we'll test it. What will happen? We're going to close the lid. Bam! And see, is the light blinking or not? No, it's just bright and white, as it should be. And now if we open the laptop again, voila! And that's how you do it. If you like this video and you want to see some more, please consider subscribing to the channel. And as always, have a nice day.